Hello all. Certifaya is our AI-powered bot testing engine. You just need to upload your application and sit back and relax. Certifaya bots will do their magic and you will get a detailed health check of your app. Let us see how you can create your first Certifaya run. The flow is simple. As the first step, you need to upload and select the app for Certifaya run. Provide app credentials if required. The last step is to submit the run. Once the run is complete, you get the report. Let's see this flow in action. Click on Certifaya link. You are ready to select your app. Prerequisite is to upload the app in My App/Data tab. In this example, we are selecting the BA app. This app requires login credentials. You can fill those details. If app requires any other test data, you can provide that as well. In this case, we are adding flight from and flight to. Now you are all set to see the magic. Click on Run button. It takes 15 to 30 minutes for a Certifaya run to get completed. The Certifaya sessions can be seen in the My Certifaya Sessions table. Once the run is complete, you can view the report. You can also make the report link public to share it with others. You will also get a notification over email. Once the report is ready, you can analyze the result. Summary tab gives you a high-level health check information about your app. This includes information like CPU, memory, battery, network, and frame rendering rating. You can see this rating for every device on which the run was conducted. You can also see important insights and our recommendation about the application. Let's now see the result at the device level. There are two sections, crash test and bot test. Crash test follows a random action pattern on devices while bot test tries to mimic the end user flow. For each of the two type of tests, you can go and check detailed parameters for a device. Let's go to Micromax Canvas Amaze. You can see device info, pass-fail status. Then you can drill down to parameters like CPU, memory analysis, etc. You can select specific CPU parameter, zoom in time intervals in the graph. Screenshots of all the steps are also available. You can download the crash logs of the device for further analysis. What we saw as part of crash test is also available in bot test section. I hope you enjoyed watching what we have created.